guys, it's Riya and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share an ideal teenager skincare routine. This is the kind of a routine that you should be following if you're in high school or if you're in college. It's the most simplest form of a skincare routine and it only involves 3 easy steps, that is cleansing, toning and moisturizing. This is known as your CTM routine and you should be following this every single day. So as a teenager you might have a lot of skin issues, which are like most of the common skin issues like acne and pimples, whiteheads and blackheads, pigmentation, sun tanning, and you might also have excessive oily skin and you might start seeing some open pores on your cheeks and your nose. So these are the most common skin issues that teenagers deal with, and this skincare routine that I'm going to be sharing with you is the solution to most of those skin problems. So to begin with, the first step is to cleanse your skin. Now you need a cleanser that is antibacterial, that helps to unclog all of those pores, because there's a lot of dirt, dead skin and makeup, grime, oil that is sitting on top of your skin, and if you don't remove all of that, it just penetrates inside your pores, clogs them and leads to acne, pimples, breakouts, whiteheads, blackheads, etc. So you really need to remove all of that, and then again you need to just wash your face to feel a little bit of freshness. So ideally you should be washing your face twice a day, that is in the morning when you get up and at night before you go to bed. And while selecting a face wash, you really need to ensure that it contains some good ingredients like neem, tea tree, turmeric, etc., because these are the kind of ingredients that really help to fight all of that bacteria that clogs your pores and leads to skin issues. So the best option of a good quality and affordable face wash that I have is by Mamaearth. It's their tea tree face wash. This contains tea tree and neem, which are both antibacterial in nature and they help to fight acne and pimples. It is again free from parabens and SLS. It is hypoallergenic and it is suitable for all skin types. So it is free from most of the harmful chemicals and it contains some of the best natural ingredients in here, which is why I highly recommend this particular face wash. It only retails for Rs 250 for 100 ml, and if you use my coupon code, that is RIA20, then you will achieve a 20% off on Mamaearth's website, and apart from that it's also available on Amazon and Nykaa. So all you need to do to wash your face is to just wet your face first with some normal water. Then just take a pea-sized amount of the face wash on your fingertips and massage it onto your skin. Make sure you massage your entire face with the help of this face wash for about 30 seconds. And then wash your face with some normal water, some normal tap water, and then pat it dry. So that's all you need to do to cleanse your face. Now moving on to step number 2, that is toning. For this all you need is an ice cube. Yes, you heard me right. You don't need any of those fancy toners in the market, or you don't even need rose water. Just a normal ice cube will do the job for you. And if you want a little bit of more skin soothing properties, then you can use an aloe vera gel ice cube. This is my most favorite skincare hack. So all you need for this is an aloe vera plant. You can get this plant for I think 10, 20, 30 bucks in the market. So all you need to do for this is just scoop a little bit of aloe vera gel into an ice cube tray and then freeze it for about 30 minutes, and then take the aloe vera gel ice cube and just apply it all over your face and really massage it into your skin until it melts down into your skin. So this is not only going to help to tone your skin, it's also going to help with your open pore issues. It's going to help to control the excessive oils on your skin. It's going to help to soothe your skin and calm it down. It's going to help with all of that redness that is going on because of the acne. It's also going to help to subside the acne down and reduce all of that swelling and just make your acne go away faster. It's also going to help to moisturize your skin, and it's going to have a very refreshing feeling on your skin. So it has like multiple skincare benefits and I highly recommend you do this step. So after you're done with massaging that aloe vera gel ice cube all over your face, you will notice that there will be a lot of aloe vera gel all over your face. So all you need to do next is just wipe off all of the excessive aloe vera gel, or just use your hands to pick up all of the excessive aloe vera gel and just apply it all over your hands and your feet. And then whatever is left on your face, just massage it into your skin until it gets absorbed. It's only going to take about 30 seconds to get absorbed, and you will have the most natural form of moisturizer on your face, a moisturizer which is free from all of the chemicals. So if you use an aloe vera gel ice cube, then your toning and moisturizing will be one single step, but if you use a normal ice cube, then you can follow follow that up with any other moisturizer of your choice or with some aloe vera gel. So that is the third step, that is moisturizing your skin. So these are the only 3 steps that you need to follow to take care of your skin. And trust me, by just following these 3 steps twice a day, every single day, you are going to be free from most of the skin issues that you have at this young age. Also, I have another hack which I keep doing all the time. If you have acne prone skin and if you keep getting acne and pimples all the time, then you can just take a little bit of besan, add some water to it, make it into a paste-like consistency, and then just do some spot treatment on your acne and let that mixture dry, wash it off, and it's going to help to dry out that acne and get rid of it really fast. Also, if you have suntanned skin or pigmented skin, then you can use some tomato juice. Just take half a tomato, squeeze the juice out of it, and then apply it all over your face and massage it for like 2 or 3 minutes. Leave it on until it dries and then wash it off. And by doing this daily, you will notice that your suntan will fade away and you will get your original skin color back. And if you have pigmented skin on your face, if you have discoloration going on, then it's going to help to correct that as well. So this is the kind of skincare routine that you should be following if you are a teenager, because it's easy, it's quick, and it's so budget friendly. And you can like follow this entire routine at a budget of maybe 250 rupees or less. Also, this is the best budget friendly face wash that I could find in the market, which is free from most of the harmful chemicals and which contains some really good ingredients. Also, if you are the kind of a person who really cares for the environment, then Mamaearth is a very environment friendly brand. It recycles more plastic than it uses in its products, so that is the best part about this brand. So yes, that is my ideal teenager's skincare routine, and it's suitable for all skin types. It is suitable for all seasons, and I highly recommend you follow it if you are a teenager. So yes, that was my video for today. If you found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends who are teenagers, who are in college or school, or are just suffering through the most common skincare problems. I just wanted to keep this routine as simple as possible. I'm not the kind of a person who will just complicate things up and show you like 10,000 DIYs and all of that. I'm just going to talk about things that actually work and that are actually practical and things that I actually do. So yes, that's all about today's video. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon next to it so that you're notified about all of my upcoming videos. So yes, that's all about today's video. This is Shreya signing off. Goodbye.